Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learning Inspiration Portal. I am your host Manuel guys. This is my new video, a new unboxing video. GM PD cable of 100 watts. It is type C to type C and also the cable is magnetic. So let us see what we find in this unboxing and hope you like my video. If you do like my video, do like, share, subscribe and follow for more such videos. Thank you. Okay guys, as you can see in the box there is one PD 100 watts charging cable and one manufactured date card over inside the box guys. Guys, as you can see the cable is magnetic. I am showing the magnetism of the cable. The magnetism of the cable is not exactly strong magnetism but it's like okay like partial magnetism guys.